Hey friends, welcome to another interesting recipe with Urban Bites. So today the recipe is going to be something very sweet. The interesting part of this recipe is that I'm going to use only 3 ingredients. So it's the vermicelli bites that I'm going to show you all today. Welcome to all the first time viewers in my channel. If you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel, as it really motivates me to do more interesting recipes. And do click on that notification bell without forgetting. So in order to do the vermicelli bites, you need to get thin vermicelli, and also it should be roasted one. You'll get this in the shops. In case if you don't get the roasted vermicellis, you can roast the vermicelli in low flame in a pan till it turns into a light golden color. So I've crumbled here all the vermicellis into tiny pieces. It shouldn't be too powdered. Make sure to crumble the vermicelli as same as how I'm showing in the video. I've taken a pan here and heating it in low to medium flame. Once the pan is heated well, I'm adding 160 grams of butter, allow it to melt. Do not increase the flame. Keep it in the same low to medium flame. Once it has melted, I am adding the roasted vermicelli into it and stirring nicely. I've taken here 320 grams of vermicelli. Roast the vermicelli in butter for 3 to 5 minutes. When you see that the butter and the vermicelli has combined very well, you can pour the condensed milk. Adding 1 cup of condensed milk here. Now if you don't want it to be more sweet, you can less the amount of condensed milk. So I prefer this sweet to be a sweeter one, so that's why I add 1 cup of condensed milk here. Again, start mixing everything. When it has combined very well, you can switch off the flame. The vermicelli bites has to be made into shapes when it is still hot. You can make into whatever the shape you want, but here I'm using a medicine cap to make out the shape. So take the medicine cap and add the mixture in it. Press it downwards firmly to get the shape. Flip it upside down and there comes our delicious vermicelli bites. Let me show you one more time how I'm doing it. Take the medicine cap, fill it very well, press it downwards and then flip it. Using this recipe, I got almost 22 pieces of vermicelli bites. Although we use here only 3 ingredients to make out this, but trust me, this is a very easy and a delicious recipe. And I always do this delicious vermicelli bites during Eid as it is time consuming and also an easy sweet. So make sure to try out this recipe and let me know the feedbacks in the comment section below. See you again with another new video. Until then, bye bye.